Rangoon, Chinese honeysuckle or Madhumalti. I'm sure you know this plant by any of these names. This is a highly fragrant flowering creeper, and today we will talk about this plant in detail as its flowering season has started. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. This is the double petal variety of Rangoon, and the flowers have divine fragrance throughout late evening till early morning. The flowering season has started, as I said earlier. They bloom from March till late monsoon, that is till October. Let me tell you the most interesting thing about this plant, its flower. As you can see the bunch, they have different colors in the same bunch, right? When the flower blooms, in the morning it is white color, by the evening it turns into light pink color or the baby pink color, and by the next day it turns into dark pink or magenta color. So at the same time, in the same bunch, you can see three different colors of same flower. Interesting, isn't it? This is a climber or a creeper, so it needs some support to climb and spread. In winters, the plant goes dormant, so you will see only leaves but no flowers. If we talk about how to get more flowers in this plant, there are 3 tips. And believe me, they are highly effective, tried and tested. So the first tip is the plant needs full sunlight for flowering. Yes, at least 4 hours of direct sunlight will promote flowering. If you grow this plant in shade, it will produce foliage but no flowers. The second tip is pruning, a very important step to get more blooms. You have to prune the plant right before its flowering season starts, which is when the winter season gets over. So you can say late January till mid-February is the perfect time to prune this plant. Pruning will promote more branches, and more branches means your plant will get more dense with more flowers. Now coming to the third tip to get more flowers in the plant, which is fertilizing your plant. We all know fertilizing plant promotes flowers and leaves as well as fruit. But which fertilizer promotes flowering? Something which doesn't contain more of nitrogen. So if I suggest which one is ideal for promoting flowers is good decomposed cow dung manure or vermicompost. I always add vermicompost and cow dung manure only to all my plants, be it ornamental plants, leafy vegetables, fruits or flowers. I hope I have given all the information about this plant. If anything is missing, you can ask me in the comment section. Get a plant. If you don't get this double petal variety in nursery, I will share the buying link. You can get it and grow them in your garden. And yes, you can grow this plant in pots and containers also, but choose a bigger size, at least 18-inch pot. That's all for today. See you soon with one more interesting video. See you.